Going into methods or special next year, and you're gonna need to take this one piece of advice or you're going to struggle a lot, especially on SACs and exams. So I'm Harbo, the founder of HZ Tutoring, and I'm here to give you the most important piece of advice that will save you in year 11 and 12 when you go into methods and special. So the number one most important thing that I tell all of my students to do is make sure that they fix their layout. And what I mean by that is you need to get used to writing neatly. You need to get used to being able to go on the left side of the page, write downwards, make all of your steps very, very clear. Because this does two things. Firstly, it makes it much easier for you to identify mistakes at the end of your working. So many times I get students who work to the very end, realize their answer is wrong because it's so clearly wrong, but then they look up at their working, it's all scribbles all over the page. They have no idea where they went wrong, and it's impossible, especially under stressful situations, to figure out where you did wrong. Secondly, you'll get significantly more marks on your SACs and exams because the examiner or your teacher will be able to distinguish your working and figure out whether or not they can give you working marks and consequential marks. So many times students will go up to the teacher and argue, oh, I should have gotten a working mark here and here, but it's just scribbles all over the page and the teacher will just say, no, like that's not right, like I can't read it. It doesn't make any sense. So if your answer is wrong, 0 marks. But if you do very clear, very comprehensible working, then the teacher can see, oh, okay, so you did this line, this line, this line, and you made a small mistake here. So you get 2 out of 3 marks, or maybe 3 out of 4 marks. So that's why it is so important that you fix your layout. And the best way to do this is firstly in practice, and when you're doing practice papers and things like that, always make sure that you write from the left side of the page, go straight down, draw a line, and then keep going like that. Don't write all over the page. Don't start on the right hand side of the page. Don't start in the middle of the page. Start in the top left of the working space. Secondly, what's so important as well is you get a very sharp pencil or a mechanical pencil with a very thin lead. Because if you're using a thick pencil, it is so hard for you to write working that's clear because it's just taking up so much of the page and you'll end up running out of space on the page as well. So for that $15 to get a really good pencil, it is genuinely worth it because you'll get so many more marks in methods and special. If you're looking for specialized methods and special tutoring, head to my website hztutoring.com and book a free trial with one of our tutors.